Parachute onto the massive island, quickly scavenge for the best gear, and stay ahead of the shrinking electric zone. Then, hold your position and wait for the perfect shot.
A tight race shaping up already. The Iron Ox holding strong against the modern Green Lightning. But here comes the Mud-Muncher on the outside. Welcome back to the main event. A diverse field today, including our defending champion. And the checkered flag drops. Let's go racing.
We are the champions!
And folks, that's how you win the championship right here.
I did it! I finally beat you! All right, you win this time.